Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I am moving to New York in like 4 hours, okay? So I have to catch the flight, but I am gonna make this video really quick. Okay, so in the morning you had to notice that we are basically in we are still in this buying continuation, as you see, but as I stated before, we would have to test yellow, grab liquidity from yellow, right? But it was kind of choppy over here, right? Uh, the bigger structures really didn't play out, and I'm gonna show you intraday. But we have this red algo that we also had to identify, right? And this can be easily ahead, okay? This top can be easily ahead, so you really had to look for two scenarios, right? Either we grab liquidity from here, right? Or we form that head, right? And we reject at 553, right? And then this yellow right here, right? But let me show you intraday and what's been going on, right? So intraday, right? You notice that we're in this range, right? We're still bullish, right? There's no bear confirmations as of yet, right? And this purple is basically the algo for today. That's gonna give you the most profit off of here, right? This close of this cup right here, right? And people might want to short this, right? But you just have to notice, like, these candles are very big, right? And if you get a bad fill, for example, right? If you get a fill right here, right? Because these are big moves, they happen like in seconds, right? And you might not get a good fill, right? Imagine if it bounces from here, right? You're just gonna take a big loss, okay? So you just have to wait for the confirmation of a if it is a bearish structure, wait for something, some confirmation. But again, we have this purple again right here, right? um, I'm sorry, I'm rushing, guys. So again, take it out of the microstructure, right? There's a good microstructure right here, right? Basically inverse head and shoulder microstructure, right? However, as you can notice, we actually identified this orange algo, right, which is the algo that brought us up the whole day, AM, right? It was also mixed with the green right here. So if you don't, what brings us up is the green as well with the orange, right? So here we couldn't break above yellow because we broke out of green, right? So if we have to break out of yellow, we have to go up with the green, of course, right? And I'm gonna give you the example right here, actually, right? So this is another potential trade, right? You see how we're brought up by the green, right? We broke yellow because of the green, right? So yeah, you just have to pair both of these algos together, the orange and the green, and the orange, green, and purple, and then take the trade, right? So then we're also looking for the cups to close, right? Another cup right here, right? And then there was no good entry over here, like from the cups. I didn't get any good entries off of pink, right? It really had to be purple. Really did carry the whole day, and you could have took an entry right here, right? But yeah, again, it was very again, this could have been the head, right, that we were looking at on the 30-minute, right? So you have to be really careful and not rush into a trade. You have to wait for the bigger structure, especially like in this range, right? We can easily right, we can easily reject right here, close the inverse cup right here, right? So you have to be careful, you have to trade accordingly, and you have to wait for the bigger structure for confirmation, especially when you're at the top, at these ranges, right? When you're at the yellow, like a top, right, you don't want to really take trades like that because the resistance is yellow, right? The top yellow. So when you're trading this, you're trading this risk to reward, right? So that's why I don't suggest trading that unless you get off entry off of purple, right? Which does give a better risk to reward and protects you more from like candles that if they reject, right, and you just get stopped out or you take a huge loss, right? Or again, like I say always, we are always gonna retest yellow, right? So let the yellow retest happen, right? And then this would have been the entry if we did go up, right? but again, we are tapering up the range right here, right? So you have to be really careful. You can't go long here without some good structure. Let the cup close, right? And then possibly inverse head and shoulder, right, off the 30-minute right here, right? And the deeper we build liquidity, the better, because again, the yellow is resistance. So the deeper liquidity we build, the better. So if we move up from here, it's fine, so be it, right? We are gonna test this yellow here as well, so let it go and catch the retracement from yellow, right? But if we build enough right here, right, I'd consider taking a position right here, right? Let the liquidity build, let the risk to reward build, let everything build, and yeah. But again, so if we are headed down, I'm gonna show you what the play is, right? So we have this beautiful left shoulder liquidity, this head possibly, right? And then right here, off of yellow right here, right? And then possibly it'll be an easy way down, or we grab some liquidity off on here, right? And then drop all the way. But yeah, it will be an easy way down, of course. We might get big red candles. So these trades are choppy. These trades are not really big structures to support it intraday. So you can always wait for the better structure. And it is Friday, so shoot, I have to meet someone at 1:30. Okay. Sorry guys. But yeah, wait for the bigger structure. But if you are headed up, like I again said, wait for the inverse head and shoulder, right, of some sort with better risk to reward from this yellow, right? And then if you do miss this trade, wait for the retracement at yellow, right? And then take it off of pink again right there, right? All right guys, that's gonna be my video. Have a great day guys. See you guys Monday. I hope this weekend goes well. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow on Monday. And pray for me guys. I am traveling, moving. It's a big change. Okay, bye guys, bye.